Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of our money analysis session. As you all know, we're basically looking for opportunities in the market, and then you guys get to see how I get my entries in the market and exits, basically my forex trading strategy. Before we start proper, for those that are watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page, yeah? So, fundamental wise, we already had high impact news on AED, the employment change on and unemployment rates, which all of them were very shitty. So, we have another news by 1:30 on the USD, then we have by 4 p.m. on the card. So let's watch out for that, yeah? So let's jump on our charts. So already yesterday, we already established that NZUSD was ranging, and honestly, up to now, we're still in a range. We're not creating clear highs, and then at the same time, we're not creating clear lows. So we're still very much in a range. Do you get? So currently, there's nothing really to say. If you watch how price has been behaving, price actually came here yesterday, looked as if we broke out of the range, but then we still very much came back into the range. And then we created another range, and then we started ranging inside. So currently, there's nothing to say about NZUS. It's a low probability market condition, so we're going to leave it alone. Now, let's go to AEDSD. Now, AEDSD was quite sad yesterday. I took a loss on it yesterday. And if you actually watch, since yesterday, we've failed to create clear heights. And then at the same time, we've failed to actually break this low that was formed here. Do you understand? So it's more or less we're still in a range on this pair too. And it's quite understandable why we'll be in a range. We actually had a high impact news on ADSD around 2 a.m. Do you get? So and the thing was very bad. The unemployment rate was bad. So I feel that's why it's still falling up to now. But let's see if price can come and break these lows to the downside, then we'll be looking out to trade a retest. Do you understand? We'll be looking out for something like this for price come and break, then we'll basically trade a retest and then we'll continue the whole thing. So it's just to pay attention to it and watch out. But currently we're in a range. So it's just to lock up and see how price behaves. Is there another pair you guys want us to take a look at? Because I've looked at all my pairs. I'm even thinking of removing ADUSD from my pairs. So I want to just be trading NZUSD.
GBP USD.
No, let's take a look at GBP USD. Wow. Okay, GBP USD is still inside this range we established that it was in yesterday. It's very much inside the range. So we sort of did as if we exited the range. We came back and then we busted to the top. We're still very much inside the range. We're still very much inside the range. Any other pair you guys want us to take a look at? Any pairs at all? Okay. It seems like there's no other pair you guys want us to take a look at. So most of these pairs, in summary, most of these pairs are just ranging, and I don't trade range. So I'm not going to be doing anything. I'm just going to leave it alone. Do you understand? But I'll be paying attention to the market. If any opportunity presents itself, I'm executing. And I think that's like my word for today. Just execute. I posted it on the group. Just execute, honestly. Because I think I myself have been suffering from executing. Do you understand? I see opportunities and then I just let them go. That's why I was saying I'll just start trading NZUSD only. So I know that that's the only thing I'm trading. If I see an opportunity, I am executing. Simple as that. Do you understand? So if you see an opportunity, don't hesitate. Execute, calculate your risk and execute. So that's what I'll leave you guys with today. So have a very nice day, guys. And then I'll catch you guys. Bye, guys.